Let's go.
Oh, good morning, everybody. Probably wondering what we're doing. Good to see everybody. Wind's up. We're going kiteboarding. We haven't had a lot of wind lately here. We're getting into fall season, and we got some great wind this morning. It's really early. It's early in the morning. It's about 8:30. Some of the friends are up. Chris, Andrea are over on the island. Eli's coming out. Not sure if Tori's coming. But we are gonna go get some wind and some waves, and we're gonna go kite because it's been a while. I did get out the other night for a sunset session, which was great. So slept right through till like 8. That was like a beautiful 10-hour sleep. It's amazing. So yeah, we're gonna load the gear up here and we're gonna get down to the water and we're gonna get a session in before the day even starts. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna work on this thing and we're gonna get the rest of this done, this cleaned up here today. And we can move the car around and do all the other stuff. And then we've got roller skating tonight for Halloween, which is gonna be super fun. So we got a lot of stuff we're gonna try to bring you. Thank you for coming along for the ride. Thanks for all the love and support. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you're having the best day ever. We're gonna go make this our best day ever. See you guys in the water. I don't really need a lot, but I do have, this is my Almeric, so I have my surfboard. I just have a old school twin tip. I've got my 11, I've got my 12, and this is my harness and my pump, my bars, my lines, all that stuff. So I do have all my gear. I'm gonna get dressed in my wetsuit. It's nice that we live here at the water again because, God, it's such a mess this morning. I don't even think I had time to wash sleep out of my eyes. We're so close to the water in the islands here that we have wind all the time, and it's butter smooth, kind of like Hatteras and Brazil and things like that. So it's really nice here, and it's like third week of October and it is like 14, 16 degrees outside. It's beautiful. So that's why we're on it. We had a dinner party last night for Chris's birthday, and that's all we were talking about, is that there's going to be wind at like 8 o'clock in the morning till about noon. So we have a nice window to go out and do this, and that's why we're doing it. We live to be in the water. We live to be near the water. This is our lifestyle, being here at the beach. And it's great being back and being able to do this. So I should have everything and we should be good. So we're going to go grab the other cameras and we're going to get our butt down to the water and jump in. Great way to start the morning. It's definitely not Folgers in the cup. It's way better coffee than that. We are in the van now and we're heading to the beach. There's the island. Bunch of islands actually out there. Look how sunny it is. It's beautiful here right now. This is gorgeous. Can't wait. You can see whitecaps out there too. That's why I brought the surfboard. Some of you are new to the channel or wondering what I'm doing and why I'm doing this, and I'm not just always working on cars or doing stuff with cars or shows or everything. It's just, this is my life and this is what we do and this is what we live for. And I do a lot of things. It could be skateboarding, could be surfing, could be traveling, could be cars, trucks, building, custom painting, house, it's everything. We want to bring you everything. And I just love bringing you guys along for the ride, because if you're somebody in the Midwest and you're like, what the hell is that thing in the air? Why is he tied to it? Or you've never been to the ocean or Nicaragua and you want to see what it looks like. If you've never seen baby turtles like we release all the time, like this is why it's fun to bring this kind of stuff to you. It's different, it's interesting, it's cool. So that's why we do it. So this channel is about everything. This channel is us. Well, where's Eli? That'll be him coming down there in the side-by-side. Perfect. Near down the beach path. Oh, I cannot wait. I got a little Numa on the stereo, a little Tool this morning. I haven't been out on this section in years. That's crazy. This is like an OG throwback. It's been a long time since I've been out on this section.
Must have flown off somebody's boat.
Yeah, exactly, right?
10 years ago.
Yeah. Beautiful day on the beach. All right, we're gonna get our lines hooked up to the kite. Nothing too interesting. And then we're gonna throw the mouth mount on and we'll take you out for a session. Okay, let's do it. Harness is on. Let's get this thing in the air. Let's get up. Oh! The hell's that?
Holy fuck.
What is that? Whoa! Jesus, how sharp that is.
What the fuck is that?
Chunk of bone?
No, but that's a tooth. Is it not?
God, it kind of looks like it with the root. Oh yeah. What the hell? Jesus. Well, you can see all the root and everything in there.
Yeah, but
What the hell? But it's been like cut perfectly flat on that side. Like it's been cut perfectly flat. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're good. Do our little backwards walk out to the water. Sweet! Good. Wardo's coming. It's his birthday today. We can get a birthday kite in. What a beautiful day though. It's only like 9 in the morning. Alright, here we go. There we go. Get out of this shallow shit here. The way to start your morning. So much fun being out here in the wide open. Like that's Lake Huron behind me. Right to Michigan. It's beautiful out. Love it. You want to be out in the big water where there's no blocking the wind. It'd be nice for a downwinder today. Fall sessions are the best because there's hardly anybody here. There's literally going to be 4 of us. I've been out kiting consistently, so I am a little rusty. I don't know if I can jump anymore, but I like to surf and kite surf, so that's kind of my thing. kind of nice just to stop and take a break for a second. Oh. Gosh. Beautiful out here though. Good enough. We're going to park it there and walk in. We don't like to wreck our fins and also don't want to eat shit. Oh.
You know what's not good? Like being in the wind. Like against it.
Happy birthday, buddy!
I was not expecting exercise today. Good to see you.
Oh,
Good, eh?
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a rip and a half. Oh. What's that? I choked on it once when I went down. Hey, buddy. Happy birthday.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh. Oh. The wind's just kind of dying.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's starting to be a little bit. Yeah.
I could feel it, so it's perfect.
They were calling for it, so.
Yeah, that's great. That's a good session. And all packed up. Back to the house. We'll see what else we get up to. A great way to start a morning on a weekend. All right. Hope you're having the best day ever. We're gonna get cleaned up, go have a bite to eat, and get on with shop stuff. We'll see y'all in a bit.